And here's another mystery boombox. It was cheap on eBay. It's a Hitachi, so going away from my usual Sharp. Leather strap for the broken handle. Looks like it belonged to a painter. Let's get this in the tripod. All right, we have it connected to power. Up here we have a knob to control, so we'll turn the volume down, and we'll go to radio and see what happens. Oh, signs of life already. It's picking up stations, but there's a lot of static over it. Just for the hell of it. This isn't really the repair video, but why not? This stuff worked miracles in the last video for a Sharp GF5656. Maybe go check that out. I'd say that worked miracles again.
Best prices in town.
We have shortwave. No idea if we should pick up shortwave in California and AM.
A lot of is what it's doing in relationships.
All right, we have radio. Tape. We will now put it this way. Hit forward, see do things turn. Oh, I think that's where we are done. I can hear the motor kick on, but we don't have any motion, so the belt's probably gone. So you tell me. If there's any interest, I'll do another video where I pop one of these guys open and fix it. Definitely need to put a new belt. So if there's any interest, send a comment or some likes, and that'll be an indicator for me, and I'll go ahead and try and revive this thing.